Tigger and the gang were cleaning up quite a storm. However, as they swept the dust out of the corners, they swept it right into Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, bother. Sniffly sniff, whistly wheeze. Here it comes, a great big sneeze. I feel it in my ears and knees. Here it comes, a great big sneeze. Oh, I close my eyes and wiggle my nose. I itch and scrunch my face. I shiver and shake down to my toes and wave my arms all over the place. Oh, goodness. Sniffly sniff, whistly wheeze. Here it comes, a great big sneeze. I feel it in my ears and knees. Here it comes, a great big...
Oh, dear.
Better hang on to something. I think he's gonna blow.
Winnie the Pooh sneezed, the biggest sneeze that had ever been sneezed in the 100-acre ward.